Welcome back to Learning with a Difference news headlines in English for 26th of September. And first of all, national news. India's stealth warships lethal show in Australia exercise. Engineers, postgraduates line up for peon jobs in Chhattisgarh. World seeing India as inspirational place in space sector, ISRO chief. COVID helpline received 6.62 lakh calls between September 2021 and August this year. Terror listing at United Nations blocked without assigning reason challenges common sense, Jaishankar said. India will work with G20 to discuss debt, food and energy security, Jaishankar at UNGA. Chandigarh Airport to be named after Bhagat Singh, PM Modi said. And now some international news. Canada sent troops to help clear Fiona's devastation. China's Communist Party said all delegates elected for next month's key congress under guidelines set by President Xi. Fire broke out at world's biggest produce market in Paris. Very premature to comment on India getting a UNSC veto, Jaishankar. Iran summoned UK and Norway ambassadors amid violent unrest. And now, news related to sports. Jack Miller won Japanese GP as Fabio Quartararo extends championship lead. Gareth Southgate said he is right person to lead England into World Cup. West Zone annexed the Leap Trophy with big win over South. Ajinkya Rahane set example, asked Yashasvi Jaiswal to leave field for indiscipline. World Wrestling warning, Bajrang Punia, Ravi Dahiya resulted show India is falling behind in a changing sport. Nations League, Switzerland found holes in Spain defense to cause upset. And now news related to business. Rupee has held up very well against dollar compared to other currencies, FM Sitaraman. Google CEO Pichai discussed cost cuts, layoffs, macroeconomic conditions. China Construction Bank to set up $4.2 billion fund for buying properties. India is on track to attract $100 billion FDI this fiscal, government said. Amazon India customer base from Tier 2, 3 cities jumped twofold during festive season sale. Byju's cleared $230 million dues to Blackstone for Akash acquisition. Now news related to science and technology. Elon Musk deployed Starlink service in Iran amid country-wide internet restrictions. NASA's Artemis 1 launch faces another obstacle, next launch window in October. Auroras on Jupiter causing scorching heat wave, 10 times the size of Earth. US spy satellite launch into orbit from California. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.